your nephew at a son, allegedly, of
have a
Bob,
match
would they would
somewhere.
have
Yes.
matched?
A match
Would they would
somewhere.
have
Yes.
matched?
They wouldn't have been like, you can't say,
It,
okay, you can identify the mom, like the mom.
but you would have been able to identify the father.
Yes, you would have been able to identify the father. You would have been able to say that these three kids are from the same biological dad.
Doctor, what is more to say about this matter? And they're trying to shut us up. No, we are going to sing it on the rooftop. We're going to tell everybody, every Gambian would know and hear this. That is just what it is.
She knew. This lady knew.
She knew.
100%.
And I'm telling you, Dr. J, she already did that.
That is why she knew that
She
Bob
knew.
is not the dad. And
she
that
knew.
is why there is this whole buhubaha of throwing out there, what does DNA has to do with a rape case?
Yes.
DNA has everything to do with a rape case when
Yep.
there is only one penetration. That's
Yep.
it.
That's it.
Anymore.
That's
so
it.
they actually give you the what do you call it? The reason for you to even want to keep on, because they brought you the evidence. They brought you the evidence that you guys, the lawyers, need to hold on to, indicating that there was one-time penetration.
Yeah.
Well, the only thing that the defense need to fight for now is nothing but to make sure the process that was done to obtain the DNA is thrown out, and a DNA is obtained from this child to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that this child is the
you know why? Doctor, you know why? Do you know why? Because, and this is my opinion and my belief, she had already conducted a DNA test between her two daughters and the boy. She already came to a conclusion knowing that Bob was not the father, and that was why all the drama surrounding the blood samples and the test and everything, in the manner that it was done that way. It was to pervert the cause of justice. Nobody can take that away from me. Nobody. No. Doctor, even the state could have asked her clandestinely to do a DNA test between her two kids, who was the father and the child. They would have done that. Anybody
they didn't have to have Bob's lawyers agree to a
Doctor, this is a girl that spent at least, I mean, if you check the process, evacuating a child with air ambulance to Senegal. You cannot tell me that person cannot think of doing a DNA test for 2 years, doctor. No, not 2 years, doctor, wait. Let's establish this. 2 years is when the matter was in court. It's 3 years. This was since 2019. 2019. There is no way anybody can convince me that. It defies logic, even to the judge, even to the courts, even to anybody. It doesn't make common sense. You have two daughters that belong to the accused person, that they're saying your sister, and the kids, the minor and the other baby was in her custody. She was dressing them with matching clothes. We saw the pictures, we saw everything. Doctor, this is what you call in ghetto style, it's bomb last cat arrest. That's just what it is.
Yeah, I